MAL introduces a new automated chatter detection and avoidance program called ChatterPro. ChatterPro is a fully automated online chatter detection and avoidance program, and it is fully integrated to CNC systems. It automatically detects chatter, changes the spindle speed in real time, and avoids chatter. It can be used both in low-speed machining of difficult-to-cut materials, as well as high-speed machining of light alloys. Traditionally, chatter is avoided by measuring the frequency response function, FRF, of the machine at the tool tip. Then, the stable depth of cut and speed are predicted using chatter prediction algorithms. However, ChatterPro does not need the measurement of FRF at all. But, that being said, the FRF of the machine is used to illustrate the mechanism behind ChatterPro's chatter avoidance algorithm. A cutting tool with 25 mm diameter having 2 inserts is mounted on a 5-axis machining center. The cutting sound was collected using a unidirectional microphone, and the feed was 80 micron per tooth during the cutting of steel. The calculated stability lobe is shown on the graph. That means, if we want to run the machine at 3,600 revolution per minute with a 3.5 depth of cut, the machine will be unstable and it will chatter. Then, ChatterPro has to change the spindle speed to either a lower area, where the process is stable, or at the higher speed area, such as 4,000 revolution per minute, to kill the chatter. This is called chatter avoidance in high-speed cutting zone, or simply spindle speed selection, SSS mode. In this cutting test, the machine is operating at 3,600 revolution per minute, with a 3 mm depth of cut. The material being cut here is free machining steel. ChatterPro automatically detects the presence of chatter by listening to the sound, then automatically changes the speed to put the machine into the blue stable zone. And the video shows how the machine is controlled automatically by ChatterPro, which kills the chatter and stabilizes the spindle at 3,462 revolution per minute, where chatter disappears. This cutting test shows how ChatterPro eliminates chatter in low-speed machining of difficult-to-cut materials. If the machine is running at, for example, 1,200 revolution per minute with 3.5 mm depth of cut, it is impossible to eliminate chatter by simply shifting the speed to the upward or lower region, as you can see on the graph. Why? Because the stability limit is well below the desired cutting condition. In this particular case, ChatterPro first tries to change the spindle speed. If it cannot eliminate the chatter, it starts oscillating the spindle speed automatically by itself. ChatterPro first tries to reduce the speed or increase the speed by trying to hunt the stability pockets. If that doesn't work, it measures the inertia of the spindle automatically from the power recording. That's done only once during the installation of the software. Then, it starts oscillating the spindle speed back and forth sinusoidally without harming the torque limit and power limit of the spindle drive until chatter is eliminated. ChatterPro is a fully automated program which is integrated directly to the CNC kernel, or it can be interfaced to CNC through an Ethernet or serial communication network. Once it eliminates the chatter, it can increase the machine productivity, improve surface finish, eliminate costly trial cuts, and also reduce the cycle time while increasing the tool and the spindle bearing life. MAL offers ChatterPro as a standalone, executable software to machine tool builders and CNC builders. Also, ChatterPro is licensed by a number of vendors who provide interface to many standard CNC systems.